you. And I know we haven't said too much, because we're trying to give you, less talk, more rock. But for these last few seconds, we just want to say that we are so excited for you guys, because Gojira is up next. And then we have Korn. And in my opinion, those are two of the best metal bands in the entire world. And I know we wouldn't be here playing this type of music without those guys. So thank you so much. And thank you to all of you for giving us a chance and coming early. We really appreciate it. Have a fun night.
Holy voices in the garden we pray. Blood into wine and my body instead. Holy voices in the garden we pray. Blood into wine, take my body instead. Holy voices.